Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am out in the forest having a nice little afternoon walk, but what I wanted to talk to you about was channel developments, what we are intending to do in the future on this channel. So at the moment we have our Chris Gets Out on Adventures channel, our main channel, but we have created a dedicated boating channel. Now, the reason why we did this was that we sort of thought that it was becoming a bit of a, there's quite a divide between people who like camping and boating and people that just like boating. And we did a poll a while back to say, should we split the channels or not? And the majority of the poll came back saying, keep it as one channel. So we did that for a while, but what we found is that because there's the YouTube algorithm is so fussy that when you have content which is about caravan maintenance, boat maintenance, trailer maintenance, as well as the boating adventures and the caravanning adventures and hiking adventures and kayaking and whatever else we do, it's becoming a bit confused. So, you know, one video will be about one subject and it will get lots of views. The next video will not get many views at all. Now that's fine. We do this channel for not reasons of getting monetized. Even though we are monetized, it only would pay for a campsite once a month or something like that, so you don't get much money from YouTube doing this. We do it for the passion and the hobby of making videos, but releasing videos that are so diverse and different confuses the algorithm and makes it hard for the channel to grow, because we do want the channel to grow. So what we intend to do is to have the main channel, which is Chris Gets Out, put it just there, that is still going to have boating adventures and caravanning adventures on it. And then we have the Chris Gets Out boating channel, which is here, and that is going to be primarily an archive of all our boating videos. So if you are only into boating, you can subscribe to that channel. You'll see all of our boating videos for coming in the future, and you don't have to bother with the camping ones. Also, the boating channel will get all the maintenance, all the stuff that goes with boating on a day-to-day basis, like, you know, repairing stuff, fixing your trailer, fixing your boat, things going wrong. Those sort of videos will be on there as well. So if you're interested in anything boating and boat trailering, then definitely sign up to that one. I'll leave a link in the description of this video, and also there is a link on the homepage of our channel. Down the bottom it will show the link to the boating channel. And then eventually, I don't know whether to make the main channel just caravanning or stick with boating, but that will be way further in the future. For now, we're just having a dedicated boating channel, which is primarily an archive, but it will get lots of other videos about just anything in boating in general that we have to do. But my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. Super sunshine and out in the forest, can't beat it really. Just look at this, just absolutely amazing. So that's really what we want to do with the channels. I hope you can subscribe to both if you're into both. If you're not into the camping side, head over to that channel and subscribe to that, so that you can get all dedicated boating content. And I think that about wraps up this little video. All I wanted to chat about was the progress, what we're going to be doing. One more update is that in the winter, like, our goal was to get monetized this year, and we've been consistently putting out videos every week and going on adventures every week, which can get quite expensive. Like I say, we don't make any money, any real money off YouTube, so it's all funded by ourselves, and going out every week on camping trips and the like can get expensive. So we're going to slow it down in the winter this year and only release a video every 2 weeks, because that will give us an opportunity to do lots of jobs around the house that are starting to build up. I've got a list of DIY jobs that I need to do. So I hope you stick around, and I hope you're okay with that. Going to a video every 2 weeks, but it will either be, well, the boating season sort of starts to die down, so it will be primarily camping, caravanning over the winter. So, but the other channel will get some maintenance jobs on the boat, which are needed. I've got a list of things to do for that. So, anyway, I think I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing to my channel, and please consider subscribing to the boat channel. It really helps get YouTube's algorithm to share it with others. So the more subscribers you have, the more sort of your channel gets shared with other like-minded people, which is what we want. So if you want to help us, that would be fantastic. So anyway, going to call it a day there, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye bye.